Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I am Manuel Espinosa, and in today's video I'm gonna show you the top knife SXB SKULLCRUSHER. This is a great fixed blade knife. This is the presentation how the knife is coming. It's coming in this plastic bag, nothing special. Yeah, it's the way how the company is sending the item. If for some reason you get the knife from this company in this way, don't be afraid, don't be alarmed. It's an original item, but the company is using this way to send the knife to the customers. Okay, now I am gonna open this thing. Over here we have the certificate of authenticity of the knife. Okay, basically they are putting one of these one in every single item. Okay, now we have over here the sheet. This is a nylon sheet. It's coming with the molly strap, as you can see. Also it's coming over here with 550 cord, military cord, and this part over here, this is a survival whistle. Also is coming with the information from the company. You can remove it, okay, and keep it in another place because it's a little bit annoying if you are walking around with this thing hanging. Okay, on the front the sheet is having one extra compartment. You can put whatever thing you need inside, maybe a fire starter, maybe one pocket knife, whatever. Also, this sheet is coming with double strap. You can see over here, this double strap is keeping secure the knife in the sheet. I will remove this plastic. Something else that I want to show you about the sheet is this part. This is a plastic protection coming with the sheet in the inner part, so this is preventing the edge of the blade make damage on the nylon. Okay, well, now I'm gonna show you the knife itself. I'm gonna give you a view. This is a full-time knife, you can see. It's made in USA. Also, another thing that you will find on this knife is this thing. This is the name of the person who created this knife, A.J. Snyder. He's an army veteran, survival instructor. He's having a lot of experience. Okay, so he created this thing. And I can tell you, this is a combination between an axe, a machete, and a knife. For that reason, it's having this particular form on the blade. Okay. Some specs about this knife: the overall length is 15 3/4 inch. The blade length is 9.38 inch. The blade thickness is 0.250 inch. The hardness is 5658 HRC. The handle material is micarta. I will tell you, the handle is awesome, really ergonomic. It's having great design. Also, another cool thing, you can replace the handle. You can remove the bolts and change it for something else. Also, you can see the form. It's coming with the holes on this part and here as well. You can improvise one spear if you need it. The blade finish of this steel is black traction coating, and also I will show you over here the hammer pommel. You can see the form of this thing. Really, really effective if you need to use it. I will tell you something. When you see this thing before you take it, you grab it, I will tell you, one thing is when you see this thing, and another thing is when you are holding with your hand and you have it, you know, the impression is much better. This feels like I'm indestructible, for be honest with you. It's really, really well made. I like it. And also something that I like about this knife, the way how they made this thing was basically playing a little bit with the weight distribution. Okay, how you can see there are more weight on this part than the middle. So when you are using this knife as a chopper knife, it's gonna be more effective due this weight distribution. But the good thing with this part, you can make several tasks, especially when you have to make feather stick. That is really, really useful. Okay, this part over here is really sharp. I'm gonna show you right now. I have over here this paper that makes some cuts. You can see. Let's try with something else. I have over here 550 cord. I will make some cuts on this thing. I will try to cut 4 of them at the same time. Well, you will see. Now I will try to cut some of them again with this part. I think I am not holding this thing really well. I will try again. Okay, here I go. Yeah, I got 3 at the same time. Yeah, I think it's because the form of this blade is a little hard to cut this thing on this way. But trust me, it's really, really sharp. Really well made. The price of this fixed blade knife is $250. That is the average price. If you are outside of USA, probably that price is gonna be a little higher due to the shipment fee. Okay, each part is different. If you are more far away from this country, from USA, probably it's gonna be a little more expensive. Okay, so that is the reason, because the shipment fee always is gonna change in different way the price. But in overall, I can tell you, it's a great knife, great material, great design. It's really awesome, all the stuff that you can do with this thing. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know whatever question you have in the comment section. I will answer you as soon as possible. I see you in the next one. Bye bye.